Saint-Jean-Pierre-du-Pont. Hey, welcome to my first video ever. Very intriguing to make this one. Not even sure I'm gonna add voice to this video, but I thought why not give it a go and at least record this one at the beginning. So I will make some drone videos. I have no intention or willingness or energy to make any documentary, but just put the videos together, and I'm gonna share what I believe is the most beautiful, the earth from the sky. Oh, I feel the air up here. It's fresh, like drinking water. So this might be the first stop. Yeah, it's open. Perfect. It's 10:30. 10:30. I will go for a bear, I think. A big brown bear. I know how it sounds. Or a shorter, smaller beer. But it's snowing right now. Not to forget about the war. Carrying 10 kilo here with my drone and all I need. 10 kilo is what one would recommend to do less. Yeah, 10% maximum of your body weight, I heard. Now I'm filming with my phone. And speaking, I didn't thought I would do that, but it appears when I have my earpiece in anyway, the sound goes through the earpiece. Huh? Incredible. So much to learn. A lot now. The road is good, but some people are really bad prepared for this stretch. They don't even have rain clothes or warm clothes. Some comes down in shorts. Others don't bring a jacket. So yeah, I'm very good. Spain is on the other side of this fence. The frontera, la frontera de España. Bienvenido a España. Bienvenido mi corazón.
You go early to bed, or are you a night owl, or how it's called?
No, I try to go before midnight to bed.
Okay.
Yeah. At 5 p.m. I'm alone on the road again. I spoke a lot with a girl coming from Switzerland, Anna. She went into the monastery with most of the other ones. That's why I'm walking along here. I have a booking coming up in the next village, which should be in a half hour or so. At last it stopped raining and it's 5 p.m. so it's been a long day. Quite tough day, but I think this was the hardest day, at least I say so. I looked at the kilometers at the monastery. It was 30 kilometers I've been walking today, so it will probably end up something like 32, 35, something in between there. I'm so tired, but I'm very happy. Here I'm staying.